In this video, we will show you how to fix PayPal money on hold. If you guys want to get started with PayPal, you can use the links down in the description. If you sold a physical product, add tracking information using an approved shipping carrier. PayPal will release the hold approximately 24 hours after the courier confirms delivery to the buyer's address. If the held payment is for a service or intangible item like ebook or online service, update the order status to completed. PayPal will release the hold 7 days after you confirm the order status. Next, use PayPal to print shipping labels. PayPal will track the item and release the hold approximately 24 hours after the courier confirms delivery. If you're not a seller and received money from friends or family, ensure the payment type is correct. If it was sent as a goods and services payment by mistake, mark it as completed. If none of the above steps work, contact PayPal support for further assistance. So that's how to fix PayPal money on hold. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with PayPal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.